Unlocking the power of machine learning, a path to income generation. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, one term that has been making significant waves is machine learning. It's not just a buzzword anymore, it's a transformative force shaping the future. Picture having the ability to teach machines to learn from data and make decisions without explicit programming. Welcome to the captivating world of machine learning, where possibilities are as vast as the digital universe itself. Understanding machine learning. The journey into the heart of machine learning begins with understanding the fundamental concept of how it works. At its core, machine learning relies on algorithms that allow computers to analyze data, identify patterns, and make intelligent decisions. Unlike traditional programming, where every instruction is explicitly defined, machine learning algorithms learn from experience, continually refining their performance as they encounter new data. Machine learning operates in three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, where the correct output is provided. In contrast, unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data, allowing the algorithm to identify patterns independently. Reinforcement learning focuses on training models to make sequences of decisions by receiving feedback on the actions taken. Applications of machine learning. One of the most common applications of machine learning is in predictive analytics. Imagine being able to predict future trends, stock prices, or customer preferences with a high degree of accuracy. Machine learning algorithms excel in recognizing patterns within vast datasets, enabling businesses to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Moreover, machine learning is revolutionizing healthcare by aiding in disease diagnosis and treatment planning. Image recognition algorithms can analyze medical images, helping doctors detect abnormalities and make more accurate diagnoses. In finance, machine learning algorithms analyze market trends, optimize trading strategies, and assess credit risks, enhancing decision-making processes. The impact of machine learning is also felt in marketing, where personalized recommendations and targeted advertising rely on algorithms to understand consumer behavior. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance powered by machine learning minimizes downtime by anticipating equipment failures before they occur. The breadth of applications spans across various industries, making machine learning a versatile and indispensable tool. Career paths in machine learning. Now the burning question arises: how can you turn your knowledge of machine learning into a lucrative income stream? The possibilities are diverse and exciting, making it an attractive field for those eager to capitalize on their skills. Machine learning engineer. One avenue to explore is a career as a machine learning engineer. These professionals design and develop machine learning systems, crafting algorithms that can analyze and interpret data to solve specific problems. As businesses increasingly integrate machine learning into their operations, the demand for skilled engineers is on the rise. Machine learning engineers work on creating models and algorithms tailored to address unique business challenges. They collaborate with data scientists and domain experts to ensure that the solutions meet the specific needs of the industry they are working in. In addition, engineers are responsible for optimizing algorithms for scalability and efficiency, making their role crucial in the deployment of machine learning solutions. Data scientist. Another pathway is becoming a data scientist. Data scientists are the modern-day alchemists, turning raw data into valuable insights. By utilizing machine learning techniques, they uncover hidden patterns, trends, and correlations that can drive strategic decision-making for businesses. Data scientists analyze large datasets to extract meaningful information, using machine learning algorithms to make predictions and recommendations. They play a crucial role in informing business strategies, product development, and customer engagement, making them indispensable in various industries. Freelancing opportunities. Freelancing is also a viable option for those seeking flexibility and autonomy. Many organizations and individuals are willing to pay for machine learning expertise on a project basis. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer provide a marketplace where freelancers can showcase their skills and connect with potential clients seeking machine learning solutions. Freelancers can take on diverse projects, ranging from developing predictive models for small businesses to creating customized recommendation systems for e-commerce platforms. The flexibility of freelancing allows individuals to choose projects aligned with their interests and expertise. Moreover, freelancers can build a diverse portfolio of work, showcasing their capabilities to attract a broader client base. Entrepreneurial ventures. For the entrepreneurial spirit, creating and selling machine learning applications or services can be a rewarding venture. Developing a unique solution to address a specific problem or need in the market can lead to substantial financial gains. Whether it's a new recommendation system, image recognition software, or a predictive analytics tool, the possibilities are limited only by imagination. Entrepreneurs in the machine learning space need to identify niche markets and understand the specific challenges faced by potential clients. Building a robust and user-friendly product, coupled with effective marketing, can lead to successful ventures in this rapidly evolving field. Moreover, entrepreneurs can explore collaborations with industry experts and businesses to tailor their solutions to specific needs. Advanced applications of machine learning. Delving deeper into the world of machine learning, there are advanced applications that offer unique opportunities for income generation. Natural language processing. Natural language processing is a branch of machine learning that focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Opportunities abound in developing chatbots, language translation tools, and sentiment analysis algorithms, catering to the growing demand for smart communication solutions. Natural language processing applications extend to content creation, where algorithms can generate human-like text. Freelancers and entrepreneurs can capitalize on natural language processing to create innovative writing tools, automate content generation, or develop applications that enhance communication in various industries. Moreover, the healthcare sector can benefit from natural language processing in extracting valuable insights from clinical notes and medical literature. Computer vision. Computer vision involves teaching machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. This has applications in facial recognition, object detection, and augmented reality. Entrepreneurs and professionals skilled in computer vision can capitalize on industries ranging from security to entertainment. In the healthcare sector, computer vision algorithms can assist in medical image analysis, aiding in the early detection of diseases. Moreover, in the retail industry, computer vision can be applied to enhance the shopping experience through smart shelves, automated checkout, and personalized recommendations. The potential of computer vision extends to manufacturing, where quality control and defect detection can be automated using visual analysis. The future of machine learning, ethical considerations, and social impact. As machine learning continues to shape the technological landscape, it is crucial to address ethical considerations and the social impact of these advancements. Issues such as bias in algorithms, data privacy, and the responsible use of artificial intelligence must be carefully navigated. Professionals in the field can contribute to creating ethical guidelines, ensuring that machine learning technologies benefit society as a whole. Furthermore, the social impact of machine learning extends to education and accessibility. Professionals can engage in initiatives that promote inclusivity, ensuring that the benefits of machine learning are accessible to diverse communities. Educational outreach programs and mentorship opportunities can empower individuals from various backgrounds to enter the field, contributing to a more inclusive and innovative future. The role of machine learning in addressing global challenges. Beyond income generation, machine learning has the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. From climate change to healthcare disparities, machine learning applications can contribute to innovative solutions. Researchers and professionals can collaborate on projects that leverage machine learning to analyze climate data, optimize resource allocation, and enhance disaster preparedness. In healthcare, machine learning can play a pivotal role in addressing disparities in access to medical resources. By developing models that identify vulnerable populations and optimizing healthcare delivery, professionals can contribute to creating a more equitable healthcare system. Additionally, machine learning applications in genomics and personalized medicine can pave the way for more effective and targeted treatments, improving patient outcomes globally. By actively engaging in projects that tackle global challenges, machine learning enthusiasts can contribute not only to their income but also to the betterment of society. The intersection of technology and social impact provides a fulfilling avenue for professionals to make a meaningful difference in the world. Continuous learning and skill enhancement. As you embark on your journey into the world of machine learning, it's crucial to stay updated on the latest developments and advancements in the field. Continuous learning and skill enhancement will not only keep you competitive but also open doors to new opportunities. Online courses, workshops, and certifications from reputable platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity can provide valuable insights and hands-on experience. In addition to mastering machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, staying abreast of industry trends is essential. Networking with professionals in the field, participating in online communities, and attending conferences can provide valuable insights and open doors to collaboration and potential projects. Moreover, contributing to open-source projects and sharing your knowledge through blogs or tutorials can enhance your visibility in the machine learning community. Conclusion: machine learning is not just a technological marvel, it's a gateway to unlimited potential. By honing your skills and leveraging the myriad opportunities available, you can turn your passion for machine learning into a lucrative income stream. Whether you choose a traditional career path, freelance opportunities, entrepreneurial pursuits, or actively contribute to ethical considerations, social impact, and global challenges, the world of machine learning is waiting for pioneers like you to shape its future. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the exciting realm of machine learning, explore its steps, and unlock a world of possibilities. Your journey to a rewarding income and meaningful contributions through machine learning starts here. And remember, if you found this video insightful and helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more engaging content. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of machine learning, and we look forward to sharing more knowledge with you in the future.